Tsaka sa tingin ko, as an artista, maganda ako eh. Hindi ako maganda as a businesswoman. Daming struggles. It's a constant trial and error with our formula. Tsaka it's good na my business is for franchise business from Taho Story. So, ang laking tulong ng may guidance from them. Then if I have questions, they could answer my questions. Although, syempre, there are also challenges on my part, like mga costings, ganyan. Lalo na ngayon, may inflation. So, how do we adjust? But other than that, masaya. Kasi I also learn new things. I meet new people. At saka, iba din yung target market, syempre, ng mga foodies out there. Ako kasi sanay ako ang binibenta ko skincare, makeups, but tapping on the food industry, it's also something new for me. But it's fun. At saka nakakatuwa na may mga taong nabubusog with Taho Story. Mabigat kasi siya sa tiyan. Yeah, pero more than unique siya. Ang naging selling point niya talaga sa akin o attractiveness na nakita ko sa Taho is it's pure Pinoy brand. It's very Pinoy. Tsaka yung backstory niya kung paano siya nabuo, nakakatuwa din eh. Kasi family din yung origin story niya, birthday party ng anak ng pinaka-owner. And then, nag-experiment lang siya. May sorbetes and then may taho. Pinaghalo niya yung sorbetes sa taho. And then, nung trinay niya, ay okay to, pinatry niya din dun sa everyone na dun sa party. They all agreed na it's good. So, dun nag-start yung Taho Story. Ay ako, gusto ko din i-promote na i-embrace natin ang sariling atin. Kaya ako mas lalong nagustuhan ng Taho Story. At saka mahilig din talaga ako sa Taho. Childhood ko yan eh. Malaki. Kasi as an actress, parang naglalaro lang ako eh. It's like a playground. Well, it's work. Pero iba yung business, mas mental siya. Kumbaga, numbers. Eh ako, minado ako guys. Kaya ako galing sa math. So challenge talaga siya for me. But acting kasi, it's just a flow of ideas, things, emotions. So yun, I think yun yung pinagkakaiba. Tsaka sa tingin ko, as an artista, maganda ako eh. Hindi ako maganda as a businesswoman. Hard stress. So yeah, yun yung malaking pinagkaiba. I studied the script. We have a very detailed script actually. Ang ganda ng script namin. Kaya ang sarap basahin. At saka, ang daming ideas na pumapasok sa akin. I just always write them down. Then kung ano yung papasok sa shooting, kung ano yung papayagan syempre ni Direk.